Alright, in this video I'm going to be removing this front freeze plug. I've never done this before, so it's my first go at it here. You can punch it right through the middle and get it out of there. It's kind of wedged in there. There's going to be a lot of stuff left behind you got to scrape out. Took a little bit of time to scrape it out, but yeah, you want to make sure there's nothing back there and it's completely clean, because just like on the other ones, you're going to apply some RTV sealant just to ensure that it doesn't leak.
Rest right against here.
So this part has to really be clean. So you could use a screwdriver, like a wire brush, maybe like a copper one, nothing too tough, just to get all the stuff out. Maybe some brake cleaner, and yeah, just get it like where you can eat off of it, you know. I kind of go crazy with this stuff, just the fear of it leaking. So you know, I kind of overdo it, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Alright, now here's the copper brush, and as you can see, I'm going to brush this
What I'm looking at here.
how you're not supposed to brush your teeth. This will ruin your gums. But yeah, get all that crud out of there. Dirty coolant, man. It leaves a lot of shit behind.
Edge and try to flip it like the other ones.
Got to keep that coolant nice and fresh. I'm trying to use as many shop rags as possible. You know, you can never have enough of these things. Here I come with the brake cleaner. Nothing works better than this crap, man. You see all that paint on the side of my block? I could destroy it with one spray. It'll be done. Walmart, by the way, is the cheapest place to buy brake cleaner, because the auto parts store will rip you off. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Came out better than I thought. All right, here I'm gonna go ahead and test fit the new one. Try to see what I'm looking at here.
So it sits in there. I think when you hit the middle, it makes.
Yeah, you can see it's not perfectly flat. So the diameter is smaller. So once you get it in here,
see what you got.
You'll be able to give it a smack right in the center, and that will make it expand into the block. Apply your RTV first. Don't go too crazy. You don't want this stuff getting inside your coolant, your radiator, and so on. Some people are maniacs with this stuff.
What do you think? It's all the way around it.
Looks good.
Alright, now that's all done, go ahead and get this thing in here. That's going to hold it in, keep it from falling out on you. I used, I can't remember what size this was, but it's like a screwdriver, but it has the socket tip on it. And it fit, you know, perfectly there in the center.
It's definitely a weird one.
I'm basically gonna knock it flat, maybe go beyond flat just a little bit, a little concave. Try not to hit my knuckles. It's never a guarantee. Yeah, at this point, I'm wondering if that's good enough. I just want to make sure I'm hitting it perfectly flat, not too much on one side or the other. I'm not really hitting it that hard.
Yeah, this is big enough where it shouldn't slip.
It looks similar to what the
Looks like it's
OEM one
flat.
looked like.
Beyond flat.
Um,
In the other direction.
I give it a couple taps, make sure it didn't sound like it was loose or move or
That's
anything.
strange one there, man.
I don't really have a good way to check this. I mean, if I had something with a little suction, I guess I could try to pull on it. But it seemed like it's in there really good.
It
Well, there it is.